create a data store. So we go to click more and then click data stores, click to add data store. I already have one, so this is what you're gonna appear. Click add data store, and then you have to create a data structure. Let's rename it like data. You can create it manually, or you can just generate it using JSON file, like I have an example like this. So click generate if you have. This is what it's like. We have the full name, email, and age. We just have to click required each one, and then click save. Click save. This is our data store. Let's browse it. As you can see, click add to add a new row, add any variables. After that, you click save. As you can see, each row have a unique key ID that we can retrieve it. Go to scenarios. So I already have a new scenario to explain. You have to get this new data store for searching the records. Choose your data store, and then this is the module to search your database or the data store, if it contains records or rows or not. After that, we have a router module. I will explain why. We have two variables. This one is this one. So we set up a filter. So if the age of the record is greater than, let's say, 20, the flow of the data will go to this path. If not, if the age is less than 20, it will go this path. After that, you can send an email for a specific person. Let's remove it for now, just to show you guys how the scenario works. Click run once. As you can see, it searches for the rows, and the output is the two bundles, which are the two rows that exist in the database. After that, the filters added the flow. So if it's greater than 20, it goes this way. If it's less than 20, it goes this way. After that, you can customize the flow as many as you want, as you like. You can send an email for a specific customizable person, or send them a message, or you can reuse the variable as you like. And that's it. See you on the next video.